Nantai Automotive Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of fuel injection system test bench in China. Integrity, innovation, service, with 19 years export experience in this industry. Become one of the leader and pioneer of this industry. We aim to create a one-stop solution for customers to purchase diesel test bench, injector, and pump repair tools and spare parts. Our products mainly include the high-pressure common rail system test bench, HEUI and EUI-EUP test bench, and other diesel electronic control system test bench. We also supply the traditional diesel fuel injection pump test bench, the automatic micro-hole extrusion grinding machine for precision processing oil pumps and nozzles, the turbocharger overall full-speed balancing machine, and the SCV valve flow performance test bench, nozzle, and control valve flow test bench. The company's research and development capabilities are rich, and it can design and develop the new products based on the user's demand. We have our own design and technical engineer team to provide 24 hours technical service support for customers. We have strict internal management and establish a complete and reliable quality assurance system according the CE and ISO 9001 quality system certification to produce, and the products have been sold to 200 countries and regions around the world. Welcome to visit our factory.